Yiwu Jialan Package is a Chinese factory manufacturer with paper packaging export as its business center. The company was founded in 2014 and has a history of more than 10 years. We have always been committed to paper packaging wholesale customization owing more autumn services. In recent years, we have begun to focus on the production of high-end product packaging such as wine bags and wine boxes. At the Jialan Package factory, we have a complete and standardized management system with clear responsibilities and smooth communication between departments. At present, our daily output has reached the standard of 10W+. With the continuous development of the times, people's demand for packaging quality is getting higher and higher. We have increasingly strict requirements for packaging production. We have a 3,000 square meters large factory and 500 square meters office environment. We apply for roles, chassis, BC, FDA and other international certificates. At Jialan Package, we can provide you with more than just packaging, but one-to-one customized packaging solutions. We have thousands of high-quality packaging samples for reference, including various wine bottle paper bag packaging, wine box packaging, etc. We can provide you with 3 different types of wine box and wine bag packaging: high, medium and low grade. If you need to enhance your brand awareness through customized wine box packaging, feel free to contact Jialan Package.